Polly the parrot was known far and wide for her strikingly vibrant feathers. Every day she would fly around the forest, captivating everyone with her colorful presence. One sunny afternoon, Polly's favorite toy, a shiny red ball, got stuck on a tall tree branch. It glimmered in the sunlight, teasing Polly from its lofty position. Determined to retrieve her treasured possession, Polly swooped down towards the ball, but, to her dismay, her clumsy attempt only sent it spinning and twirling out of her grasp and further away from reach. Sammy the squirrel, a nimble and observant friend of Polly's, happened to be perched on a nearby branch. With a curious tilt of his head, he saw Polly's desperate struggle. Sammy leaped into action, scampering up the tree trunk, using his sharp claws and agile movements to make his way upward. He had an idea to help Polly retrieve her precious ball. Just as Sammy approached the branch where the ball had come to rest, a gust of wind swept through the forest, teasing the ball even higher. It seemed almost impossible to reach now. Sammy wasn't one to give up easily. With a mischievous glimmer in his eyes, he hopped to the other side of the tree, his tiny brain working on a clever plan to save the day. Sammy's plan was finally set into motion. He leaped onto a nearby swing, using his weight to sway back and forth, building momentum to launch himself towards the elusive ball. Time seemed to slow down as Sammy soared through the air. With precise timing and skill, he reached out his tiny paw, capturing the ball in mid-flight. A triumph! Sammy had succeeded! Polly's eyes lit up with happiness when she saw Sammy returning with her precious red ball. She chirped and squawked with delight, gratitude shimmering in her gaze as she extended her wing to receive the cherished toy. As Polly played and chirped with her recovered ball, Sammy settled down beside her on the branch. The two friends exchanged satisfied glances, knowing that together they could overcome any hurdle. The story comes to a close with Polly happily engrossed in her newfound toy, pecking at it with delight, while Sammy watched, his heart filled with joy. They had learned that with creativity and perseverance, even the impossible became possible. Note: the story can be adapted into a different number of images as per the requirements.